DJ Delz.
What's good, Funko Pop addicts? We got brand new video. Unboxing a couple of new things. Some new things. Right here, this is from Funko, which has the absolute slowest shipping on the planet Earth. And they charge way too much money for their shipping. I mean, it is ridiculous. The amount of money they charge for shipping, I think I paid like $12 for this to be shipped, if not more. And for them to take probably almost 3 weeks to ship this product, easily 3 weeks, is BS. Absolute BS. Now, some free shipping, I could wait a little bit. But if you're paying money for shipping, 3 weeks, come on. Whack. Super whack. They ship it nicely, but you know what? You're supposed to ship it nicely. This is what you're supposed to do. You shouldn't be rewarded. It's amazing how we reward companies, like when we review stuff. Oh man, props for the great shipping. They're supposed to ship it like this. You're not supposed to ship shitty, you know what I mean? Like, really think about it. Like, this is how you're supposed to do it. You shouldn't be praised for doing what you're supposed to do. Going above and beyond, yes. So, this is the Funko Pops that I got. And this is actually not for me. This is a gift for someone. And it'll be for my kid. She'll get it, I don't know when. I've given her so much stuff lately, so I'm not going to give it to her anytime soon. I try not to spoil them, where I give them so much all at once, because they don't appreciate it. Like, if you give your kids too much all the time, they absolutely don't appreciate it. You can buy your kids mad gifts on their birthday. If you give them to them all at once, it's not the same, man, as if you just give them one or two things. Now, these are awesome. These look amazing in person. And she loves Wonder Woman, so this is going to be a great, great thing when I hit her off with it. But it'll probably be in a little while, because, as I said, man, I mean, I think they've got, both of my daughters, they've got maybe like 4 or 5 Funko Pops in the past 3 weeks. And that's just Pops, not including toys, like physical toys that, you know, they open up and play with. And it's their decision, too, by the way, that they keep them in the box. I know that some people like taking them out of the box, some like to keep them in the box, some do both, as you can see. But I let them decide what they want to do with the Funko Pops. The ball is in their hands. And one thing I gotta say, I wish that this was chrome and not gold. And they should have put the red over here and then put that one over here, so it'd be like red, white, and blue. But that's just me. Let me know what you think of that, or you like it the way it is. They definitely look cool. This whole chrome wave is just super, super hype. And I think they're cool looking, but I just, at the same time, is it really to the point where they have to put out chrome on every single thing? Let me know what you think of it. Are they kind of overdoing it now? Are you overdoing it, Funko? Are you just trying to chrome everything?
We're gonna chrome everything!
So yeah, this is the first pickup that I got in the mail today. Now the next pop we got is from Amazon. I had my girl open it for me because unfortunately I'm sick with strep and something else is wrong with me where I lost so much strength in my hands I could barely even use my hands. Like, it is the craziest thing. All of my muscles, including my hand, are like, they're very weak. I lost a lot of strength with my hands. They're trying to see if I got bit by something now, if I got bit by a spider or maybe a tick, maybe it's Lyme disease. Let's hope it's none of those and it's something curable. So keep me in your prayers. And this is the Deadpool chicken. I already have one there, but it had this nasty flaw on it with like this brown stain on its leg. So I called them up. They said they were going to send me a new one free of charge. Let's see how the box is, first of all. And looks like it could be in good shape because I think they packed it pretty decent. Put a little paper in there. Paper goes a long way. Top of the box is fucked up, as you can see. That sucks, but what are you going to do? I think the other box may be better than this one. Oh, shit. Yeah, see? over there. You know, I hate that they just can't put them in, like, for instance, like this 3-pack right here. See how they put it in here? Why can't they do that with these? I don't understand. I just don't understand why. Here he is up close, and he looks good. There's no stains at all. If you want to see a close-up HD look, check out the video from the other day. And I really highly recommend it because I talk about this situation with this Pikachu where this scumbag, reseller, collector, troll, I don't know what he is, but he tried to stop me from going into Target to buy the Pikachu. He was walking out with the bag with the Pikachu in it, asked him how many more they got left. He said none, and it was this whole weird story. He was telling me not to go in, I'm wasting my time. They ended up having 5 left. So it's a pretty interesting story, and there's a major message in there and tips for Funko collectors. So I'm gonna call up Amazon again, see if they can send me one with a box that isn't that messed up. You know, why not? Maybe 3 times the charm. I hope I'm not coming off like I'm trolling Amazon, but I'm just saying though, man, like, come on, man, what's up with that? And this package right here I got is from Crep Protect. Look at all that stuff, man. All types of cleaning goods. And I will be doing a giveaway on, I would say I'll throw like a little package together. All you gotta do is leave a comment, hit the thumbs up button, and make sure you're subscribed here and on my Instagram over at Real DJ Delz, and use the hashtag DJ Delz and post up a picture of your favorite sneaker. Okay? Doesn't have to be a rare sneaker. Everyone owns a pair of sneakers. Just post a picture of you wearing your favorite pair of sneakers. Use the hashtag DJ Delz, and I will randomly pick someone. Hashtag DJ Delz and then hashtag Crep Protect, matter of fact. And I'll pick someone randomly and DM them randomly. You have to do all that stuff though. I know it seems like a lot, but you get free shit. So, I mean, I don't think it's a lot if it's for free, right? Now, this is exciting. So, I had to go to the hospital to do more blood work today, and I stopped by this comic book shop. I really wasn't gonna, because I had to go pick up my girl, because what happened was I had to go to the doctor first, so I got all that blood work done, and she had to go back to work, which is right there, and I was like, maybe I'll just hang out for a little bit and then we'll go back home together. So I killed time for about an hour and a half, went to a few sneaker stores, checked out the new stuff that's coming out. I stopped at the comic book shop and I got something that I've been wanting for a very long time. We got, from a comic book shop, Sailfish, I got the 10-inch Groot. I've been wanting this for a while, but I wasn't trying to pay the $70 to $80 for it. I noticed this did have a bunch of little damages throughout it, like the razor cut, across the top of the box that a lot of, you know, Target employees will do. Because they don't give a shit about collectibles, most of them. They're just opening up the boxes trying to put them on the shelf. So, you know, it happens to a lot of these big ass pops, even the smaller ones. But besides that, the condition wasn't that bad. But I did point out all of it, and I got him down from 70 over to 50. He offered me 55, and I said 50, and I'll buy it. I mean, that's bad right there, but I don't think it's that bad. I mean, it's worth it for me because I'm a fan, and I want this in the collection. Love Guardians of the Galaxy, and I hope that Guardians of the Galaxy continues with all the controversy going on. It's just not a good look about what the future is going to be of the show. I'm hearing rumors Batista may not even want to come back now, and it's getting ugly out there. So hopefully everything gets fixed and panned out and we get it rocking. But I finally got this, which I've been asking for a long time. You know, does anyone have it? Does anyone want to do trades? And finally I found it in the wild. So this is off the list right here. And that concludes my video for today. Definitely watch yesterday's video. We go through all the releases. I take all of these out of the box. Captain Crunch, Bazooka Joe, all of them. Noid, Sugar Bear. So we do a review on these pops. And the day before that, I did a detailed review on the Chicken Deadpool. Plus, I get into a super crazy story about this Pikachu. Must check it out. So check all that out. Leave in the comments any Funko Pops you're looking for. Maybe I can help you out or another viewer can. And Funko Pops I'm looking for is the Ant-Man Chase. And also I am looking for Ric Flair. The Ric Flair Target exclusive and the Finn Balor Chase. Those are 3 Funko Pops that I'm looking for right now. And I'm trying to slim down my collection. So if you're looking for like a whole bunch of pops, I'll give you good deals on them if you're into like Star Wars or stuff like that. Because I'm trying to slim down the damn collection. Like, you know, I have chases if you're into these right here. Five Nights at Freddy. Like, I do have chases and stuff like that. That I just need to slim down the collection. As much as I love some of my pops, I gotta make room for more. So like, you know, I got to get rid of some to make room for more. So hit me up, and hopefully I have stuff that you would be interested in. I mean, we got a lot here. Just like I'm trying to slim down my sneaker collection, I definitely want to slim down my Funko Pop collection too. So hit me up. Let me know what you're into, and you know, maybe I'll work out some kind of box deal. You know, maybe you want to do a mystery box or something like that. Who knows? But hit me up. Thanks for tuning in. Thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're new, and keep me in your prayers for real, because this is really frustrating, like everything that's going on with my health. So continue to keep me in your prayers, and leave your comments, subscribe, and hopefully I'll have a new video in a day or two.